Hi everyone, it's Jono here from Abrantix, and today I'm going to be showing you how quick and easy it is to write and run a test case using PaytestHub. Let's get into it. So I'm on PaytestHub here at the moment, and we can see that we've got an agent and we've got an environment running. So let's start actually creating our test case. So we can go to our test cases page, and then we can hit new test case to create a new test case. And all we have to do is enter in our information. So let's just say Jono's test case. I'll leave the description as null, and then we can actually start adding steps. So let's add a step here. Let's say enter pin, add that step, and now we can actually add an automation to the step. So I'm going to click add automation, and I'm going to target robot 1, and we're going to send the command 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. And it's just going to be a text version, and we're going to hit add automation. And let's add another step real quick. So let's do go home, and we're going to add the home automation again to robot 1. And there we go. We've wrote our first test case. The test steps editor has quite a few useful features that I think you'll want to know about. So we have the ability to move our automations up and down, either via drag and drop. So I can just move this home command under this step if I've accidentally made a mistake and it was actually meant to be in this step. And then we can also move the whole step down as well, or back up. We have quite a few useful features there. And then we also have these move up and move down buttons as well. So I can just move it down to the next step if you prefer to do it that way. One other useful feature that we have, if you're comfortable using YAML, is our script editor. So you can actually write your entire test case using YAML if you want to, rather than using the tree view. Now that we've gone over the basics of our test steps editor, let's actually save it and let's run our test case. So I'm just going to hit save, and you can see my test case has now been saved. It's in our view, and let's actually run it. So I'm just going to click the run button here, and it's going to open up our run window. And on this page, you can select what agent and environment you want to run the test case against, and you can also specify a run name if you want to. So I'm just going to move this up real quick so we have a little bit more room. And what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to insert a live view of our robot that's currently sitting inside of our Newcastle office that this test case is going to execute against. So let's hit run and let's see what happens. So I've started to run the test case, and as you can see, we're starting to get some logs in our log view here, and you can see the robot start moving while it's executing the 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. So we'll just let this finish. And there we go. Our test case is finished running, and we can see that our robot has now moved back home. So as you can see, we get a whole lot of log messages from different sources such as host, agent, robot extension, extension API, etc. So this gives you a full view of what's happened end to end. So if anything didn't execute the way that you expected, you can have a look at the logs and you can see what went wrong and where it went wrong. And that's it. That's how simple it is to write and run a test case in PaytestHub. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.